Hey guys, this is Chase at Tint-Man Window Tinting in Murrieta, California. Been around for 20 years in the valley. So at Tint-Man here, we do everything from window tinting to paint protection on the front end, so we can, match up tint, darker, whatever you need tinting wise, it can be done here. And then as for the paint protection, it's a clear broad that goes on the front that protects it from rock chips and rock scratches and all that good stuff. So back in the day, window tinting, you took a piece out of a box of the film and you had to pretty much in a sense trace the window to get it to size. Nowadays I just type in the year, make and model of the car, and every pattern that car has is right there at my fingertips. I can cut a front window with the back window or whatever I need to do, it's right there. And then when the paint protection, it's got every make, model, base, to the luxury model. The bumpers, the hoods, I have a whole car that I can wrap in paint protection and all the patterns are right there. So with the RK Sport Ranger, we wrapped all the sides in the LLumar ceramic film. So it came with raw glass, clear glass. So what we did is just took a 15 all the way around, and then we actually put a clear 80% on the front windshield. So just from, benefits, you get the privacy, you get UV protection. So, those rays that are harmful on your skin, it does keep out 99% of that. So, and then heat overall, sun rays are very harmful. They start breaking down your interior, fading panels, fading doors. It happens, but with the film on there, it's blocking all that harmful stuff out. So not just for looks, it has a lot of other benefits to it. But now they have films that are transitioning from during the day they're dark to the nighttime they're light. So you don't have that super dark window tint when you're driving at night. Well, if you're in the Temecula Murrieta Valley, we're at 26658 Jefferson Avenue, Murrieta, California. Or you can give us a call anytime from Monday to Saturday at 951-461-0440. Any questions, concerns, any of my guys can help out with those questions. If not, just ask for Chase and I'd be happy to help you guys.